Hello student, good morning. Okay, in last lecture I already explained to you ascending order, descending order and comparing numbers. Okay, now today I will explain to you new topic related your this chapter. So our topic is estimation and rounding a number. Okay, before explaining the rules of estimation or rounding a number, I will explain to you some tips related it. Okay, राउंडिंग ऑफ इज अ टाइप ऑफ एस्टिमेशन मीन्स जब भी हम कोई भी नंबर को राउंडिंग ऑफ करते हैं इसका मतलब क्या है, उसको हम एस्टिमेट करते हैं मीन्स हम अप्रोक्सीमेटली हम हमारा आंसर फाइंड करते हैं. नाउ एस्टिमेशन इज यूज इन एवरीडे लाइफ. डेली हम हमारी लाइफ की जितनी एक्टिविटी करते हैं तो हम बहुत सारी जगह एस्टिमेशन यूज करते हैं. ओके, if someone ask about your final examination result before completing your exam, so how can you give answer directly? You can tell your answer that I will get 75 percentage. Means in this you will give your answer by estimation approximately. मीन्स तुम्हारी एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म नहीं हुई है उससे पहले तुम्हें कोई क्वेश्चन करता है कितने परसेंटेज मिलने वाले हैं फाइनल एग्ज़ाम में, तो तुम तुम्हारा आंसर अप्रोक्सीमेटली मीन्स एस्टिमेटेड दे देते हो. इन दिस योर आंसर इज नॉट फिक्स. यहाँ तुम्हारा आंसर फिक्स नहीं होता है. ओके, एस्टिमेशन इज ऑल्सो यूज इन सब्जेक्ट लाइक मैथ्स. मैथ्स में भी हम एस्टिमेशन का यूज़ करते हैं. राउंडिंग ऑफ मीन्स अ नंबर इज मेड सिंपलर बाय कीपिंग इट्स वैल्यू इंटैक्ट बट क्लोजर टू द नेक्स्ट नंबर. जब भी हम हमारा आंसर राउंडिंग मीन्स एस्टिमेटेड फाइंड करते हैं तो वो कोई नंबर के नियर होता है. लाइक दिस, इफ वी विल फाइंड 78 और 78 का हमें राउंडिंग अप 10 फाइंड करना है. ओके, हमें 78 को नियरेस्ट 10 फाइंड करना है. सो इन दिस आवर आंसर विल बी 80 बिकॉज 78 जो है वो 80 के नियर होता है. मीन्स एस्टिमेशन में हम जो आंसर फाइंड करेंगे वो कोई नंबर से थोड़ा नियरेस्ट होता है. नाउ इट मीन्स रिप्लेसिंग अ नंबर विथ एन अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू दैट हैज़ अ शॉर्टर सिंपलर और मोर एक्सप्लिसिट रिप्रेजेंटेशन. मीन्स हम जो आंसर मिलता है वो हमें यहाँ अप्रोक्सीमेट मिलता है. जब हमें हमारा फाइनल आंसर प्रॉपर नहीं पता होता है तो उस टाइम हम एस्टिमेशन करके हम हमारा आंसर फाइंड करते. ओके, आई विल गिव यू वन एग्जांपल रिलेटेड इट. if some person got 90.23 percentage in final exam, okay, so if another person asked to such person that how much percentage you got in your final exam, so every time the person don't tell that I got 90.23 percentage in my final exam, but directly he told that I got 90 percentage in my final exam. Okay, now second example, 65.78 percentage got by another person in a final exam. So this person is also don't tell again and again that I got 65.78 percentage in my final exam, but instead of it he directly told that I got 66 percentage in my final exam. Why instead of 65.78 he told that I got 66 percentage? Because here 78 means 78 is given to and 78 is nearest to 100. 78 जो होता है वो 100 के नियर होता है. So here we have to add 1 in a 65 and 65 plus 1 66 means 65.78 का approximate estimated answer 66 हो जाता है. Okay, now I will explain to you rules related estimation and rounding a number. Okay, now the first rule, estimation each of the following using general rule for nearest tens or rounding off to the nearest tens. Okay, in this we will find our answer rounding to nearest tens. यहाँ हमें हमारा जो आंसर फाइंड करना है वो हमें नियरेस्ट फाइंड करना है टेंस. And when we will find our answer in a nearest tens, So every time we have to look only last digit of a number. Okay, because in a tens we have only 1 0. हमारे पास tens में एक ही 0 होता है ones के place में. So when we will find our answer in a nearest 10, every time we have to look last digit of a every number. Okay, if the last digit of a number is given to you in every number is less than 5, so the number is rounding down. Okay, लास्ट जो वंस की डिजिट होती है वो हमें 5 से लेस दी होगी तो उसका मतलब हमारा नंबर राउंडिंग डाउन होगा. सी हियर वन एग्जांपल इज गिवन टू यू 42. ओके, एंड ऑल ऑफ यू नो 42 इज कम्स बिटवीन 40 and 50. ओके, बट in a ones place 2 is given to you and 2 is less than 5, so our answer is rounding down. So 42 is nearest to 40. Okay, but if in a ones place the number whichever given to you is more than 5, so our answer is rounding up. Okay, अगर हमें वंस के प्लेस में जो डिजिट दी है वो 5 से ज़्यादा होगी तो हमारा जो आंसर होता है वो राउंडिंग अप हो जाएगा. ओके, so on the basis of this we assume that if in a ones place the digit whichever given to you is less than 5, so the number is rounding down, and if the digit is given to you in a ones place is more than 5, so the number is rounding up. Okay, now when we have to find our answer in a rounding nearest to tens, so every time लास्ट 2 डिजिट जो है वो हमें क्या मिलेगी 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, because here we have to find our answer rounding off to the nearest tens. Okay, now second example, see here in a ones place 8 is given to you. Okay, and 8 is more than 5, so our answer is rounding up here. So for 38 we have to write here 40, so our final answer is 640. Now in this example in a ones place 2 is given to you and all of you know 2 is less than 5, so our answer is rounding down in this. So for 92 we have to write here 90, so our final answer is 5690. Okay, now second rule, estimation each of the following using general rule for nearest 100 or rounding to the nearest 100. Okay, when in this we have to find our answer nearest 100. Okay, rounding to nearest 100, and when we have to find our answer nearest to 100, every time we have to look last 2 digit in each number. हमें जितने नंबर्स दिए उन सब में हमें लास्ट 2 डिजिट ही देखनी है, बिकॉज इन 100 वी हैव अ 20 and both the 0 in a ones place and tens place, means 100 में हमारे पास ones और tens दोनों के place में 0 होते. So when we have to write our answer in a nearest to 100, so we have to look last 2 digit of every number. Okay, if the last 2 digit is given to you in any number are less than 50, so less than 50, so our answer is rounding down. Okay, अगर हमें कोई भी नंबर में लास्ट 2 डिजिट जो है वो 50 से लेस दिए तो हमारा आंसर राउंडिंग डाउन हो जाएगा. बट द लास्ट 2 डिजिट इज गिवन टू यू इन एनी नंबर is more than 50, so our answer is rounding up. Okay, last 2 digit is more than 50, so our answer is rounding up. Okay, now see here examples are given to you. In a first example last 2 digit are given 45. Okay, and here 645 is given to you, and all of you know here we have to find our answer nearest 100, so 645 comes between 600 and 700, but the last 2 digit is given to you here 45, and 45 is less than 50 here, so our answer is rounding down. So 645 is nearest to 600, so for this our final answer is 600. Now in a second example last 2 digit are given to you here 78, and 78 is more than 50 here, so our answer is rounding up. So for 278 we have to write here 300, and our final answer is 8300. Now in a third question Last two digit are given to here 49, and 49 is also less than 50 here. So again our answer is rounding down. So for 649 we have to write here 600, and our final answer is 28,600. Now when we have to find our answer nearest to 100, means rounding to the nearest 100, every time लास्ट थ्री डिजिट जो है हमारी वंस टेंस हंड्रेड के प्लेस में, हंड्रेड के प्लेस तक हमें या तो हमारा आंसर 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 मिलता है, बिकॉज इन दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड अवर आंसर नियरेस्ट टू 100. नाउ एस्टिमेशन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग यूजिंग जनरल रूल फॉर नियरेस्ट 1000 or rounding to the nearest 1000. Okay, now in this we have to find our answer nearest to 1000, and in a 1000 we have a 1 2 3 0, means 1000 में हमारे पास वंस टेंस 100 जो 100 की डिजिट होती है वहाँ तक हमारे पास 30 है. सो व्हेन वी हैव टू राइट अवर आंसर इन अ नियरेस्ट 100 वी हैव टू लुक लास्ट 3 डिजिट इन एवरी नंबर. जब भी हम हमारा आंसर नियरेस्ट 1000 लिखते हैं तो उसमें हमें लास्ट 3 डिजिट देखनी होती है, बिकॉज इन 1000 वी हैव अ 30. ओके, सो in a nearest to 1000 if the last 3 digit are given to you in any number less than 500, so our answer is rounding down. Okay, I will repeat it again. If we have to write our answer in a nearest 1000 and the last 3 digit is given to you in any number is less than 500, so our answer is rounding down. But the last 3 digit is given to you in any number is more than 500, so our answer is rounding up. Okay, so the last 3 digit are less than 500, our answer is rounding down. Last 3 digit are given to you here more than 500, so our answer is rounding up. Okay, now here first example is given to, and in this example last 3 digit are given 293. Okay, now here example we have to take it. Now here we have to find our answer nearest 1000. Okay, so 6293 comes between 6000 and 7000, but the last 3 digit are given to you here, they are less than 500 because 293 is given to you and 293 is less than 500. So in this our answer is rounding down. So for this our answer is a 6000. Okay, now in a second example last 3 digit are given to you here 888, and 888 is more than 500 here. Okay, so our answer is rounding up. So for 8888 we have to write here 9000, and our final answer is 49,000. Now in our last 3 digit are given to you here 251, and 251 is also less than 500. Okay, so for this here 255 is given to you less than 500, so our answer is rounding down here. So for 9251 we have to write here 9000, so our final answer is 79,000. Okay, so student, till here our topic is over here related estimation and rounding a number. Okay student, thank you, and our topic is also completed here.